So recently my Android4Lumia tutorial video has been getting a lot of attention along with the showcase video that I did showing the project and what we do. And so today I want to make a question and answers video, a little Q&A for you guys to answer the most general questions I get in this video. So what I'll do is I'll pick comments off of YouTube and I will go ahead and read them, and I will answer your questions. And if you guys have even more questions, leave them down below after you watch this video if you have more things to ask me, because I'll do another video sometime in the future as well. Alright, so for both of the videos, for these two videos, I will be reading the comments off of both the tutorial and the review / showcase video. So let's get started. The Mindstorm R101, will it work on Lumia 930? No. Anything that is above like 920, 820, 720, not saying those devices are supported, but anything above the X2X series devices are not supported. So like, for example, 930, if it has like X3X, those devices are not supported, only X2X devices. Captain Byte, I don't think this works. I have a Lumia 521. That ruins the device. Not sure how that ruins the device, Captain Byte. We're basically supporting a device that Microsoft couldn't. So I'm not sure if that answers your question, but that should be close enough. Siddiq, I'm not even going to try your last name. Hi, any news for the Nokia Lumia 1020 909? That would be awesome if you could put Android on it. 41 megapixel Android style. Okay, I get what you're saying here, but the likelihood of us getting drivers to work for camera is very low, because our device requires a specific driver and we can't get that out of anywhere else, so we're not sure if we have to custom mod drivers or what else we have to do. So it may take experimenting, but for now, if you have a 1020, don't consider this project. I recommend you keep that great camera, because that's basically what the phone is all about. So keep that in mind. Let's go ahead to next. Tar GI, fake. This isn't fake because clearly many people have done it, and if both of these videos have almost 60,000 views combined, obviously people have had success. Not sure why you're calling it fake, but I can understand where you're coming from, because there's many videos out there that I've seen that are fake, and plus you have the Windows Store with all the Android launchers claiming to install Android on your Windows device, which is not possible through a store app. VJ Ko Chowen, can I use this method for Microsoft 535? I get what you're saying, Lumia 535. No, what does the title of the video say? 52X series and 720. So the title of the video should answer your question. Mio commented, this guy's hair is amazing. I got a haircut, so it's no longer amazing. That was completely off topic, but whatever. Peter Meds, if you're a real programmer, then you would understand why Windows Phone 10 is better than Android. Well, if you're a real app developer, you would understand why Android is a better platform to work on than Windows Phone. A, because Windows Phone has nobody using it, the market share is very low, and Android runs on like 85% of mobile devices out there in the world, globally. So I think for what you're saying, if you're a real programmer, then you would understand why Windows Phone is better than Android. Maybe in the coding language, but not necessarily for market share in how you're trying to portray your app in the store, like, you know, show it off and whatnot. So that's really the answer to that question there. Sam Wadu, I have Lumia 540. It's work or not? Again, read the video title. Hey, can this process is applicable for Microsoft Lumia 540? X2X devices only. So for all the people asking anything besides devices that have a 2 in their number, it's basically not possible. GXV3, just stopping to write a comment as I was fascinated watching this video. You explained everything so well, and the setup of the various cameras was amazingly professional. It makes me want to buy a Nokia listed in the description from eBay just to play around and try it. Nokias are hella sexy phones. Awesome video, cheers, liked. Thanks, man. I like that comment. Yes, I try to do a bunch of camera angles just to make it a more intuitive tutorial so it's easier to follow along. Somebody says, can I install Android on Lumia 435? Nope. Great guide, easy to understand. Thank you. Okay, got a Nokia 520s. Okay, so this comment's clearly been translated. It's basically saying that his touchscreen does not work and he can only feel vibration. So here's the answer to this. You must have an original Nokia digitizer and touchscreen. So basically, the screen and the touch digitizer must be original from Nokia. Since there are so many different versions out there to repair your phone with, we cannot support all of them at the moment. That's like last priority. So if you have an original Nokia digitizer, or display and digitizer, then your touchscreen will work perfectly. You'll have no issues whatsoever. So that is answering that question. But if you have a non-original touchscreen, like you've replaced it with a third-party version, your touchscreen isn't going to work. So if it doesn't work, then go back to Windows Phone for now until we get that fixed. Lassie Gamer, 735 is basically 720 with more RAM and a better camera. Does it work with this? Before I go any further, read the video title, please. That would help. X Classic XX Star X says, please help during the process at 21 minutes and 22 seconds. My phone got disconnected. And then you replied, never mind, I just had update driver software on my PC. That's most people's issues. So if you're having driver issues and your phone disconnects, then your PC did not download or install the drivers properly. Sometimes you need to restart your computer. So multiple ways usually to fix that if it's a driver. Somebody also asked what, if my touchscreen, already explained that, must have the original screen and stuff. Hey man, after install Android on my Nokia Lumia 520, some problems I am facing, ... like ... Wi-Fi not work, Bluetooth not work, camera don't open, network not connect. So how can I solve this problem? We're working on that right now. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are super close to being done, and I will definitely make a video when that is going to be released, and you guys will be able to follow that here on the YouTube channel or in the XDA thread, which I will link in the description, so it is easier for you guys to see and keep track of all of that, because that's where more updates will come out. I'm also debating whether to make a Twitter account to post updates. So let me know in the comments if you guys will find that useful, if you want to follow that page, and we can write when new updates come out there and you can get post notifications. So let me know what you guys think about that. It's just a thing to think about for now. What else? I have Nokia Lumia 620. Can I install Android on it? So I know I said X2X series, 920, 820, 1020. Those devices could work, but we don't support them currently. So no. Maybe in the future. Not all of us have these devices. In order to test, we need all of the devices. So we take donations. You can donate at the link in the description to PayPal, and we will use that to purchase more phones so we can support more of these phones. But yet again, that costs money and time, and so the money donations are especially helpful, because then we get that device and we can work on it along with other new devices. So if you want to help out, that's the way to do it quicker. Lassie Gamer also posted again, wait a sec, there's a way to get Google Play without using Android. If you feel like you need Android that bad, you can take the risks of a brick phone, but really, why won't you just get a Samsung Galaxy Y? And wow, Windows Mobile autocorrect fixes lowercase s on Samsung. Wow, that's detail. Obviously, Microsoft didn't want to put enough time into putting a good version of Windows Phone for these devices and stop supporting them, so there's your answer. And a lot of people own these in, countries in Asia. I checked the video statistics, and India is our top viewer for both of these videos. Vietnam, France and Italy, or places like that are also in there. And so not only can people not afford new devices, but we're trying to breathe life into their old devices so they're usable again. So there's your answer. We're trying to support hardware that people already have and can be utilized, rather than, just go buy a new device. Because some people don't have the money for that either. A lot of it's just, can you support other devices than what I've said, like 535, 540, 730, 830? So no. somebody happened to say too in the comment section, I really want to see more tech stuff on your channel. I'll keep that going with these Android4Lumia update videos. So if you do want to see more from me on technology-based stuff or more on this project, on maybe the insides of how we do things, let me know in the comments below. That's the best way to tell me. Hopefully all of those answered most of your questions, and if you have any more, like I said, throw them down in the comments, and just let me know. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and that'll also tell me if you want to see more of this. Also, if you want to donate devices or donate to our PayPal for me and our project, that link will be in the description below. Or if you want to send me phones that are that have a good screen or whatever, a bunch of good working phones to do testing with, you can do that also. I'll put a address that you can send stuff to in the description, so if you want to send stuff, it's in the description. You guys can also message me on Telegram if you have issues, but don't answer. If I've already answered in this video, don't message me on Telegram. You can go at SJRMac, that is my username on Telegram, and the app it looks like a piece of paper. I'll show it to you right now, and you can go ahead and chat with me there if I have time, and I'll probably generally answer some other questions besides the ones I've answered here. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.